Hello guys, are you ready? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Learning Fun with Prince Aryan. So today we are going to be learning a little about population dynamics. Let's learn how many people are there in our world and what are the analytics of a population. So let's get started. So first is what is population? The word population signifies the total number of people inhabiting a specific area at a particular time. Population is not static. It is ever changing and dynamic. Population dynamics deals with the study of how and why populations change in size and structure over time. So this was about the dynamics. So let's see about the distribution of population. In the world by continent in 2018, about 59.5% of global population is continuously rising and has nearly tripled since 1950. In 2015, the total world population was 7.35 billion people, mainly due to the rapid growth of developing countries. The human population will continue to grow in the community decades and is expected to exceed approximately 11.2 billion by 200,000 according to a global population forecast by the United Nations. So the next is global population. So global population is due to medical advances, better living conditions and the increase of agricultural productivity. The world population is expected to grow. Asia is the most populous country on earth. China is the country with largest population. So let's learn more in the video. Next comes here is about factors affecting the size of population. So here the population of the planet is constantly increasing and this growth can have many effects on the environment and the economic of the world. For example, as the world population rises, the pressure mounts on the agriculture sector to feed the millions of increased people. There are several factors that affect the size of the population. In the world, the first one is fertility rate or birth rate. The second one is immigration or emigration. So here the first one is fertility rate. Fertility rate is the factor that affects the growth of population in the biggest way. Is the fertility or birth rate. The fertility rate is measured by the number of children per woman of childbearing age. And if the fertility rate is larger than 2, the population should rise as there are more children than the parents. On the other hand, if this ratio is below 2, the population of the region may be destined for a line. Generally, birth rate refers to the number of line births per 1,000 persons in given area per year. Second comes is mortality rate or death rate. Mortality or death rate is a key factor affecting the growth of the population. Is the death or mortality rate. Just as the birth of a new people increases the population size, death decreases. The factors that affect the mortality rate include the availability of health care and lifestyle habits. For example, whether they smoke or do physical exercise regularly Each death rate refers to the number of deaths per thousand people in a given area per year. The last but not least, it is immigration or emigration. Immigration or emigration is cross-border migration, is the act of people moving from one country to another. It affects the population size of both the host and the destination countries. Emigration means to move out of a particular place. Immigration is caused by a number of factors such as a war, education, seeking new jobs, or joining one's family. When a person emigrates from a country, its population shrinks. When someone moves to a country from another place, it is known as immigration. As we discussed, this change occurs due to births, deaths, and migration of people. The difference between birth rate and death rate of a country is called natural growth rate of a country. So that's for the video. I will meet you soon in the next part. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, relax.